Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmed Bajaj Khan Niazi. As you can see, we have got a bus body over here. This is a chassis for the Hino Kazi bus. As you can see, this is chassis for these buses. That one and this one on the left and that one on the far left. This is the chassis for the Hino Kazi bus. So we were planning on building a double glass bus on top of this chassis. As you can see, like the Hino cars, like the Yutong Nova buses or the Man buses. So we wanted opinion of you guys if we should build a double glass bus on top of it, or a Hino Kaze bus, or a 120 bus like we have built before. As you can see, this is the chassis for the Hino Kaze bus. This is these are all the electronic systems for the screens, for the infotainment system, for the steering wheel and everything, gear. These are the brake cylinders, as you can see, and that on the far behind is the engine for the Hino Kaze bus. As you can see, this is the radiator, this is the engine, the whole system over here. So we were planning on building a double glass bus on top of it. So I wanted opinion of you guys if we should build a double glass bus on top of it. The double glass bus will obviously be able to host more passengers at one time compared to the Hino Kaze buses. It will be able to. So I wanted opinion of you guys if this chassis, if the suspension and everything can be stable enough to hold a double glass bus on top of it with more passengers than a Hino Kaze bus can host at one time. So I wanted your guys' opinion on that. If the suspension is wearable enough to hold a double glass frame on top of it. The double glass frame is obviously longer, it is bigger, it is heavier. So yeah, that was the only problem that we were facing. So I wanted opinion of you guys. The frame is not wide enough. I think the frame is wider than this. As you can see, this is the chassis for the Hino Kaze bus. So it would be a difficult task to build a double glass bus on top of it. It would be an easier option to build a Hino Kaze bus or 120 bus on top of it. As you can see, the chassis is not the chassis is very strong. The Hino Kaze bus is obviously manufactured in Japan. Japan is known for its you can rely on the stability, and uh, the Japanese vehicles don't wear off that quickly compared to Chinese vehicles, uh, as you can see. So I wanted your guys' opinion on that. If we should build a double glass bus on top of it, or if we should build a Hino Kaze bus or 120 bus on top of it. So thank you so much. Keep me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.